Welcome to Eyer. We have prepared some tips to help when the capture does not come out perfect. You know, when in the picture there are some black burrows or when you can only see a part of the nerve. In this case, you did not get close enough. Just remember that everything that appears dark before your capture will also be dark in the photo. What is it when there is a white spot in the image after it is completed? There, you have some possibilities. The white halo under the image means that the equipment was not aligned with the patient's face. This can happen when we use it in handheld mode. Or in the slit lamp, when the patient does not rest the chin or forehead correctly. Note that the axis of the eye will not be aligned, which can cause spots in the capture. In some cases, you can see the patient's eyelashes and must ask the patient to open the eyes as wide as possible before capture, or when the lens fogs with the patient's breath by wearing a mask. For this case, you ask to put on a micropore tape or hold the mask for capture. The image can also be blurred when you autofocus. Some points can influence this case, such as the patient blinking or moving his head during the capture. And the last tip is about the distance of the anterior segment image. The iris will always be inside the white circle. If your capture has too much zoom, the photo will be blurred. Yes, Eyer Doc, now you are an expert on the best fundus camera of the market, Eyer. Use it a lot with your patients and enjoy the ease of its functions. And contact us if you have any doubts. We are here to make your experience amazing.